Looking for a phone that combines fast performance, stylish design, and an immersive entertainment experience? Here's the Moto G Play 2024. Impressive performance. Powered by a Snapdragon 680 processor with a speed of 2.4 GHz and 4 GB of RAM, the Moto G Play gives you the speed you need for an amazing entertainment experience. Amazing display and immersive sound. A large 6.5-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, supported by stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos sound to live the moment as if you were inside it. 50-megapixel quad-pixel camera. Capture clearer photos and more vibrant colors, even in low light. Ample storage. 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB, to store all your favorite photos, movies, and apps. Long-lasting battery. Enjoy an all-day battery with a capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours, so you don't have to worry about recharging. Sleek and durable design. Featuring a stylish and splash-resistant design, it's your perfect companion everywhere. Moto G Play 2024. Everything you need and more at your fingertips. Ready to upgrade?